Myself, Dr. Om Prakash Sharma, Pro President Jagannath University. I'm very happy to share my views on this auspicious day, 5th of September 2025. Respected dignitaries, distinguished researchers, educator, industry leaders, and dear participant. It is both an honor and a privilege to address this distinguished gathering at the Global EDU Conclave 2025. Although we are meeting virtually, I can sense the energy, curiosity, and commitment of mind from across the globe, covering with a shared purpose to envisage and create a sustainable future through the power of interdisciplinary research. Why interdisciplinary research matters for sustainability? Let us understand. We live in an era where challenges do not respect disciplinary boundaries. And it is the fact also. Climate change is not merely an environmental problem, it is also an economic, technological, political, and social challenge. Food security is not only about agriculture, it involves biotechnology, supply chain logistics, behavioral science, and data analytics. Sustainability requires us to break down slots and embrace collaborations that merge engineering with ethics, biology with AI, social science with climate modeling, and policies with technology. It is very, very important to understand all these terminologies. Interdisciplinary research is not a luxury. It is only path forward if we are adding complex, interlinked global issues. The current moment, opportunities, and amplitude of the need of today's digital era and the urgency, it is very important to look into that aspect. We stand at a unique intersection of scientific capability and global necessity. Artificial intelligence and data science now allows to model environment impact with interdependent accuracy of different domains. Biotechnological offers solutions for climate, resilience, crops, and sustainability energy sources. Behavior economics helps drive societal change towards sustainable consumption patterns, and that we have to understand. But technological alone is not enough. Collaborative human efforts rooted in empathy and guided by ethics will determine whether these innovations lead to equity or to further divide pillars for interdisciplinary sustainable research. Number one is collaborative platform creates research ecosystem where engineers, scientists, artists, and social scientists work side by side, not in parallel, but in true integration. Number two, global knowledge sharing sustainability is a global issue, and now it's a time that every one of us should understand. Open access publication, data sharing platforms, and cross border research fellowship are crucial for inclusive progress altogether. Number three, ethics and equity solutions must be people centric rather than domain centric. Every sustainable innovation must be evaluated for its environmental footprint, affordability, and accessibility. Number four, education for interdisciplinary thinking. We need to prepare students not just as specialists but as connectors of knowledge, comfortable investigation, and multiple domain. Now it's time for a call. Friends, the Sustainable Development Goals SDG, as we call it interdisciplinary worldwide, are not distance ideas, they are deadlines, and deadlines demand urgency. Every project, every research initiative, every educational reforms we understand must be aligned with the vision of a sustainable future. Let us pledge, every one of us today, that our research will just generate papers, not only that, but solutions that are more feasible and acceptable for the growth of the society. That is, it will not be confined to laboratories and conference halls, but it will reach the communities and ecosystem that need it most. In closing, the challenges that are coming in digital eras, I'm very much happy to share that the capacity for innovation, when disciplines unite, brings a moral solutions and a noble solution to serve the society. Let us be bold enough to ask the difficult questions, humble enough to learn from each other, and committed enough to ensure that our work leaves behind a planet worth inheriting. Thank you, everyone, for the patient listening, and I look forward to the ideas, partnership, innovation that will emerge from this conclave together. We can turn interdisciplinary research into the most powerful tool for building a sustainable future. Thank you very much. Namaskar.